How to fix Cash App. Sponsor request limit reached. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix Cash App. Sponsor request limit reached. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile app, just like you can see here. This will take you to the home page of the app, where you will see different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app, just like you can see. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. OK, come to the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, make sure you tap this option here named Support. The page will start loading. Make sure you wait for it. You will land on the Cash App support page, as you can see here. On this page, there are various sections that you can use to find solutions to problems you face on the app. From those sections, the one we need is this one here named Account and Settings. Make sure you tap on it just like you can see here. Under the Accounts and Settings, there are other options. From those options, the one we need is this one here named Sponsored Accounts. Make sure you tap on it. After doing that, you will see more options related to the Sponsored Accounts option. From those options, make sure you tap this option here named Features and Limits. This page appears where you will see information Cash App is providing about the issue. Make sure you read it to get a better understanding. Come to the bottom of the page and tap this option named Chat. You will land on the feedback section of Cash App, where you are supposed to explain to the support team the problem. After that, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached.